TEEHO TZ001. Keypad door lock, complete programming guide. Ever bought a smart door lock and then got lost in the manual before you even got to the good stuff? Yeah, me too. Today we're taking the mystery out of the TEEHO TZ001 keypad door lock. I'll walk you through every step to program it, adding user codes, setting up fingerprints, even a few pro tips to keep things secure. By the end of this video, you'll be the neighborhood TEEHO guru. Section 1. Quick overview. Before we start pushing buttons, let's get familiar with what we're dealing with. The TEEHO is a sleek, keyless entry lock with a light-up keypad and a fingerprint reader built right in. It runs on 4 AA batteries and works with almost any standard US door. The brain of this lock revolves around one thing: the master code. Think of the master code as the owner's key. Without it, you can't add or delete anything. Out of the box, the default master code is usually printed on the back of the battery cover, but you should change it the second you install the lock. I'll show you how. Section 2. Changing the master code. Alright, let's lock in that new master code. Wake it up. Press the round TEEHO button twice. You'll see the keypad light up. Enter the old master code, the factory one or your current one, and press the TEEHO button again. Press 1. That's the command for change master. Punch in your brand new 4 to 10-digit code and hit the TEEHO button. Re-enter the new code and press TEEHO one more time. Green flash and a long beep? You're golden. From now on, that's your personal master key. Section 3. Adding a new user code. Maybe you've got roommates, kids, or an Airbnb guest. Here's how to give them their own access code without sharing your master. Press the TEEHO button twice to wake it. Enter your master code, then press the TEEHO button. Press 2. Enter the new 4 to 10-digit user code and press TEEHO. Re-enter that code and press TEEHO again. You'll hear a long beep and see a green flash. That means the new code is active. You can add multiple user codes this way, perfect for family members or trusted guests. Section 4. Registering a fingerprint. Fingerprints are where this lock really shines. No phone, no key, no code to remember. Here's the play-by-play. Press the TEEHO button twice to wake it. Enter your master code and hit the TEEHO button. Press 4 to start fingerprint registration. Place your finger on the sensor when it flashes. Lift and repeat. The lock wants about 8 good scans from slightly different angles, so it learns your entire print. When you hear that satisfying long beep and see the green flash, you're done. Pro tip: register the same finger twice. Once normally, once angled, so it recognizes you even if your hand's at a weird angle. Section 5. Everyday use and battery tips. Once everyone's set up, daily use is simple. Just tap the keypad or the TEEHO button to wake it, punch in your code, or place a registered finger. To lock, you can press the TEEHO button once, or simply close the door, and let the auto lock kick in if you itemly enabled that feature. Battery life? Expect around 1 year with quality AA alkalines. The lock gives you a low battery warning beep and a flashing red light. Always keep a physical key as a backup in case you ignore those warnings. Trust me, it's no fun being locked out because you skipped a $5 battery change.